the Minister of Primary and Secondary Education, and in his absence, he's here. Thank you. A pronouncement was made that heritage-based education is now compulsory for all schools. My question, in line with schools already taking international exams in the form of Cambridge, is Cambridge being phased out? If yes, what is the roadmap? If no, is there an expectation that the students will do both examinations? I submit.
The Honorable Deputy Minister of Primary and Secondary Education.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. It is true that we are focusing on heritage-based curriculum. Cambridge exams, they are still being taken, but with the heritage-based curriculum. Circulars are still to go out. This is with the start of 2027, not the current sitting students. So yes, we are going on with Cambridge exams, but our main focus is the heritage-based curriculum examinations. So they are taking both. If you feel you want to go the Cambridge way, you still are taking the heritage-based curriculum exams. I so submit.
Supplementary?
Yes, Honorable MHANGWA.
Thank you, Madam Minister, for the comprehensive response. Considering that the students are taking both, there's been a pronouncement to insist on local languages being part of what they should go through in terms of passes at O level. What happens to the contingent of students that may not have done indigenous languages at primary school level? Would they be at the same level to be examined with those that were taking it from grade 1?
Yes, the Honorable Deputy Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I would like to say, for clarification purposes, yes, indigenous language, it is a must. That we have indigenous language in our heritage-based curriculum. So, if your student wasn't taking indigenous language from primary school, I've never heard of that. Here in Zimbabwe, we do have our 16 official indigenous languages, and they are everywhere. We are, the 6 of them, 9 of them are the ones that are being written exams on, and others we're still in process for them to be written. But it is a must that you have an indigenous language. Thank you.
Point of clarity.
Supplementary.
Yes, Honorable Gumede.
Thank you for the opportunity. My supplementary question to the Honorable Minister is whether the ministry has assessed the schools that are offering both the heritage-based and Cambridge. Will they have sufficient resources in terms of teachers, learning materials, and classrooms, and also the time to implement effectively both of these curriculums without compromising educational outcomes?
The Honorable Deputy Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. So here is the thing. Policy is we give priority to our own heritage-based curriculum. If you yourself decide that you are taking both curriculums, this is Cambridge and heritage curriculum, yes, we will come and assess. If you are qualified to write Cambridge, Cambridge on their own, they make assessment of the institutions that are offering Cambridge exams. And us as a ministry, heritage-based, our ZIMSEC, yes, we do assess if you are able to be able to manage the ZIMSEC exams. This is where we have our exam centers. So it is really up to you if you are able to take both, but we are giving priority to our heritage-based curriculum. If it is compulsory, and it is up to you if you are able to take both. And the institutions that are offering Cambridge, they have already been offering Cambridge, and Cambridge has assessed them and certified them that their exams can be taken there. But in our schools, we are teaching heritage-based curriculum.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Order. In terms of standing order, number 68, time for question without notice is expired. So we move to questions with notice. Question number 1, Honorable Gumede.